This year, Mahakal Mandir visit was totally different. Watch till end. Mahakal Mandir, there are two ways to go there. Either you can come this way or you can come from this way. That is the mall from the staircase, or you can come from here and then go up. Winmeyer Hotel near Mahakal Mandir. If I'm not wrong, Tonic movie shooting was here only. If I'm not wrong, I'm not sure about that. I think it is Winmeyer. Okay, what I'm saying. So I did so many hikes. Even one day I can do at least two really tough hike. But no idea when I'm going to Mahakal Mandir. I feel very tired and I need my stick. Otherwise I cannot go. Like uh, I I just feel like that lack of oxygen and I cannot go up. But still I somehow manage. Reach Mahakal. This is the first time I'm seeing inside Mahakal. So many years I never seen this. And I always love this prayer wheel. So I was going around the mandir area and you have to do it clockwise, not anti-clockwise. I corrected a couple. I said, "Okay, you are going anti-clockwise." So then again they started. This is something new. Mahakal. Have to be very careful. Monkeys are here. After a long year, I'm seeing monkey in Mahakal. God, please don't do anything to me. I'm not going to harm you, right? And I cannot feed you. You know what? In Mahakal, feeding monkey is punishable. You maybe if anybody see that, they can give you a fine of 5,000 rupees. Said hi and he responded. Hi. These are new. It was not before. So 2024 I couldn't come. But 23 I have seen these things are they are building these places. So it is here right now in 2025. Before 2023 it was not there. Mahakal was different then. Jyotiralingo. So these are the newly added, and even here you can feel the silence and a peaceful thing. 2011 I have came to 2011 I came to Darjeeling for the first time. That time I saw monkeys near Mal area, Mahakal Mandir, but then it was missing. 21 and all, it was not there. So after a long time I'm seeing a monkey. So everything happened for a reason. Coming to Mahakal temple, must watch this place, Satkanya Devi Mandir or Mahakal Gufa. बहुत सारा सीढ़ियाँ नीचे जाना पड़ता है. I am confused with my language. You know, sometimes I have to speak to people in English here and with some Hindi and then Bengali. So pardon me, my vlog is like a hodgepodge. So here you go, Satkanya Devi Gufa. I'm not going inside. I never had planned to go inside, but somehow a miracle happened and I went inside. This is inside the Gufa. Even a short height like me, I cannot even sit. I was just going inside, and those who has claustrophobia don't try to enter this gufa. Even who has overweight or knee problem, don't go inside it. It will be tough for you then. You can't even stand. You sit and go inside. Miracle can happen sometimes. This year definitely it's a miracle for me. I went towards Satkanya Devi Mandir, or what we say Mahakal Gufa. I never went inside. I don't know, a lady came here and she said कि हम अंदर साफ करके आए हैं, आप जा सकते हो. I said कि I have done my lunch and I don't do puja. Can I go? She said यहाँ पे आर्मी लोग आते हैं और आपके मन से अगर आपको इच्छा हुआ तब ज़रूर जाओ. I was not doubting at all. I did not think twice. I said कि yes, it's an opportunity. Let's go inside. So this is the first time I went inside that गुम्फा and there is माता जी. वो लोग बहुत मानते हैं. So my Darjeeling tour this year is full of surprises. And when I came out, she said, आप बहुत lucky हो. I said कि क्यों? She said कि everybody cannot go inside. आपको बुलाया इसीलिए. Definitely, I don't do the puja or something like that. But yes, I really do believe in a superpower. There is something beyond science and beyond everything. So maybe this time I'm blessed. I went inside. Even I went to Ganga Shagor. I went to so many places. But I also feel like every year I try to come to Mahakal Mandir. Even I came here I think third or fourth time, but never went inside this Satkanya Devi Gufa. And this year it happened. So this is it. I'm sharing some experiences of mine, which I even don't know how to explain. The tour was really good, and after this, I went back for shopping. So that was my last week inside Satkanya Devi Gufa.